Hello friends, welcome to SahuStudies. In this video, I am going to discuss about distinct function in Scala. So why do we use distinct function? It is used to get the distinct rows. So for instance, suppose we have a data frame and there are multiple columns present in the data frame, and if you want to just figure it out what are the unique value which is present in a particular column. So how we are going to do? With the help of a distinct function, we can implement over that particular column and it will give all the unique values which are present in that particular column. So I will show you in this exercise. So in this exercise, what I am just doing, I am just importing all the required libraries. Here I am creating a schema with the help of a struct type and the struct field. With the help of a struct field, I am defining 6 columns and their data types. AP name, integer data type. AP name column, string data type. AP gender, string data type. AP salary, integer data type. AP state, integer data type. AP city, string data type. With the help of a spark.read.csv function, by passing address of a CSV file, I am just creating this data frame with the help of this schema which we have created above. This one. Once this data frame gets created, so what I am going to do, I am calling this select function over this data frame and I am selecting column AP gender and I am just putting distinct function. So what it will going to do, it will select the column AP gender, but it will only select select those which are unique, because this distinct function we have applied over AP gender, so it will give the unique records which is present in AP gender and put those records in this newly created data frame. With the help of a display function, here I am just displaying the content of this data frame. So in my previous exercises, what I have done, I have just read the CSV file, created the data frame out of it multiple times. So I am not going to write this code. What I will do, I will copy the code from one of the previous exercises and I will show you how this distinct function works in Scala. So let's go to the Databricks. Let's create a notebook. Name it as distinct. Connect this notebook with our running cluster. Let's copy the data till creation of a data frame by reading a CSV file. This will import all the required libraries. This code will create a custom schema. This code will read the CSV file and create a data frame. Let's run the code one by one. All the required libraries are available in this notebook. Custom schema has been created successfully. CSV file has been read successfully and Spark has created this data frame. Let's display the content. We can see here there are 5 records. Now let's see how distinct function going to works in Scala. So let's create a data frame. What I am going to do, on top of this data frame, I am calling this select function and in this select function, which column I am going to select? I am going to select AP gender, and on top of that I am just putting distinct. Let's run it. So what I'm just doing here over this data frame, with the help of a select function, I am selecting this column AP gender, but I am also implementing this distinct. What distinct will going to do? It will only show the fetch it only fetch the distinct rows which is present in AP gender column. So let's see how the data looks like. We can see there are two values of AP gender. One is female and one is male. You can go top of this data frame content. We can see there are 5 columns, but sorry, there are 5 rows, but values or AP gender is either male and female. That's why in the distinct it is showing only two values. One is male and another is female. Let's do this distinct on another column. Let's put on state. Let's run it. Display this data frame. We can see there are 4 distinct value which is present in AP state. One is Maharashtra, one is Haryana, one is UP, and one is Maharashtra. We can see this is the content of that main data frame. Here what we are seeing that Haryana, Maharashtra, Karnataka, UP are the distinct value. UP is coming twice. That's why it is picking only 1 rows, because distinct will going to fetch the unique rows from a column. So in this video we have seen how we can implement distinct function over data frame in Scala. Let's go to the PPT. Thank you. If you like content of my video, then please subscribe my channel, like it, comment on it, and press the bell icon to get notification whenever I add videos.